Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make a subscribe button for your YouTube videos completely for free using Canva. So if you want to learn how to do this, just keep watching. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is obviously we're going to go to canva.com and we want to create a new design, and I'm going to use the video template. So this is the one right here, video. Okay, so now we have our blank canvas, and you want to create the button right where you want it to be in your final video. So if you want it to be, for example, in the center, in the middle of your video, or in a corner, that's where you're going to place it. So now we're going to start by adding a shape, the shape of a button. You can actually search for buttons right here. I'm sorry for my pronunciation of buttons. But anyway, right here you can see that there are a lot of options and you can just choose it. And actually this is just this color. Here you can have like a red one, or you can change the color right here. And I'm actually going to search for a rectangle. So let's see, and I'm going to be using this. And the reason why I chose this is because you can actually adjust the length of the rectangle, and you can also change the colors. So as you can see, this shape is gray. You can actually change the color here in Canva, and usually subscribe buttons are red, but if you want to use your brand colors, that's fine too. I'm just going to add some text here because obviously I want to have the subscribe text. So I'm going to type it in, and I'm going to make this all capital letters. Okay, so now we have a pretty basic subscribe button. Obviously this is just an example, but here you can see that you can change, for example, the font. So let me just look for another one, and you can also change the size of the font. Okay, you can change the colors obviously. Okay, so this is a pretty simple subscribe button, but you can still use it and I think it would look fine. So you can actually resize this and put it right where you want it to be, for example here in the corner. The cool thing about Canva is that they now have little animations you can add to your projects. So here you can click on animate and you are going to see some animations. So for example, this is pretty cool. This fades in. This, I don't know what this is. So as you can see, there are some really cool animations. So even this pop, this looks pretty good, and you can adjust the time here. So I'm going to have it at 10 seconds. If you want to use this animation on your video editor, you want to have this background color be green. That way you can later change it. So I'm just going to select this green right here. Okay, so now we are ready to use this animation on our video editor. So I'm going to click on download and I'm going to select MP4 video, and I'm gonna click so that I can have the file on my computer and then use it on my video editor. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can add that animation that we made on Canva on your videos. So here I'm using iMovie. This is a free video editor that comes with any Apple computer. However, you can use any video editor as long as it has the green screen option. So here I have my video. I'm telling you guys to subscribe to my channel, and now I'm going to import that image that we created. It's actually a video, so I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to add that. Okay, so here I have my project. As you can see, this is at the subscribe button. I'm going to import that to my video, and as you can see, here it is. I'm going to just add it to my timeline. As you can see, you cannot see me because this button has the green thing on the background. So what we're going to do is we are going to select this clip. We are going to go to the first option that says video overlay settings. And here we're going to select the green blue screen. I'm going to be dragging the softness all the way to the top, and that's it. And now we're going to see how it looks. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week, and that's it for today. Bye guys. As you can see, this clip is a little bit longer than what it needs to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut this clip, the last part. So quickly, I'm going to copy this, copy paste, okay? Next, I want to select this, go to the speed option and click on reverse. So now the end is actually the beginning of the other clip. And I'm going to drag this so that I only keep the final part. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now we're going to watch it one last time to make sure it looks good. Okay, and that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, this was pretty simple, pretty easy. So you can make the subscribe button as simple or as complex as you want it to be. Here, as you can see, I have a completely different subscribe button. Here I have my name, I have my picture, I have even this subscribe button with the animation of a click. And you can do this in Canva. These are elements, these are text, pictures. And the cool thing about Canva is that they have these animations, these graphics. So for example, you can use this for free, which is very similar to the one I'm using here. And you can have this be the click. Or another thing that it's really cool that I've seen a lot of YouTubers use is a bell. So you can tell people to subscribe and click the notification. Here, for example, I see a lot of images that are still. So if you want to have it animated, you just look for the animations. And you can use this bell icon to your YouTube subscribe button. So you can have it here and have the subscribe and the notification bell. And not only that, you can actually use the same technique to create, I don't know, your Instagram handle. For example, you can have here like your Instagram and have an icon and do exactly the same. I don't know. So anyway, I hope you really liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.